Configuring so that pip install can work from GitHub. We'd like to use pip with GitHub to install private packages to our production servers. This question concerns what needs to be in the GitHub repo in order for the install to be successful. Assuming the following command line, which authenticates just fine and tries to install. What needs to reside in the product name? Is it the contents of what would normally be in the tar file after running setup.py with the sys option, or is the actual tar.gz file, or something else? I'm asking here because I've tried several variations and can't make it work. Any help appreciated.
You need the whole Python package, with a setup.py file in it. A package named foo would be. And install from GitHub Lite. More info at this URL.
I had similar issue when I had to install from GitHub repo, but did not want to install Git, etc. The simple way to do it is using zip archive of the package. Add /zipall/master to the repo URL. This way you will make pip work with GitHub source repositories.
If you want to use requirements.txt file, you will need Git and something like the entry below to anonymously fetch the master branch in your requirements.txt. For regular install. For editable install. Editable mode downloads the project's source code into ./src in the current directory. It allows pip freeze to output the correct GitHub location of the package.
Clone target repository same way like you cloning any other project. Then install it in develop mode. You can change anything you want and every code using foo package will use modified code. There are two benefits of this solution. You can install package in your home projects directory. Package includes .git, dir, so it's regular Git repository. You can push to your fork right away.